Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you personalize settings in YouTube. In order to personalize settings in YouTube, you could follow these steps. But before that, make sure the application is completely up to date and that you're connected to a stable internet as well. To personalize, you could open up your YouTube application and log into your account. After you're logged in, tap on the use section from the bottom of the page and then click on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now, on this page, you could see a lot of options: general, switch, account type, family center, notification, all that. So in order to personalize your settings in YouTube, you could first of all go to the general section. And over here, you could accordingly go ahead and make changes with this settings if you want to. Once you're done with this section, then you could come to the next page where you have the switch account. Now this is not considered to be a personalized section. You could go ahead and explore notification section, and accordingly you could go ahead and personalize notification as well according to your preferences. Once you've actually done it, so you could then go ahead and select privacy as well. And here as well, you could go ahead and make sure to change, or you can go ahead and make sure to update it as well. So these are some of the ways you could personalize settings in YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.